Wala po ba? Palakpakan dyan. Wala rin po ba? Lawak dyan. Maraming salamat po. For the past years, we have been fighting for us to be seen and have a place in our society. And right now, we gather here to celebrate our beloved rainbow community. As this competition progresses, I hope that we can bring smiles to your faces and from our very existence. What a glamorous evening, each and every one, especially to the panel board of judges. This is your Lexi and Sandoval, all the way left from Municipality of Limay, proudly representing Sitio Marcil, who always believe that everything that we done now is the reflection of our future. Before I leave the stage, mark my number, because tonight I will definitely give you a show that's on. Thank you so much. Enjoy the show.
There you have it. Thank you so much, candidate number 2. And now, taking up the center stage, our candidate number 3.
She's extraordinary. She's got beauty, got wit, got
Wala pa kayo palakpakan dyan! Our candidate number 3.
She's exceptional, she's super extraordinary. She's got beauty, got wit, got talent, baby. She's dazzling, ooh, ooh, and you go ooh, ooh, ooh. She's sexy, so sexy. Super Serena, super Serena, super Serena, super Serena.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. And now, taking up center stage, our candidate number 4.
Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? At wala po bang malakas na liyawan dyan? The true queen is not always having a big or beautiful crown in her head. The true queen is full of a heart that's full of love and respect. Ears ready to listen, in a hand willing to help other people. Standing before you is a 28 years old stunner, all the way last from diversified municipality of Limay, province of Batayan, Barangay SM2. My name is Queen Thea Perez. Took up Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management at Limay Polytechnic College. At bago ko po lisanin, ang apat na sulong ng tablado ito, ako po ay nag-iiwan ng kasabihan. Aanin ko ang aking kagandahan at kaseksihan. Kung hindi ko naman matitikman ang inyong kapitan. Oops. Babae ko pala ang inyong kapitan. Once again, my name is Queen Thea Perez. Judges, mark my number. And I thank you.
Hey, candidate number 4. Thank you, Ms. Thea Perez. And now, get ready for our next candidate. We have candidate number 5.
Sa layo-layo pa po ng aking pinanggalingan. Wala ho ba palakpakan dyan? Wala rin ho ba sigawan dyan? And tonight, this is a pageant to allow us to stand in the name of one another. Ang babae at tunay na kawanis ng isang babaeng nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Jimmy Santos? Yes, oo, ako nga ho, ang nag-iisang Ruby Rodriguez. Joke lamang po. My name is Casey Pagyo Flores 22 mula sa sitio ng Magigiting, masisikap at puno ng pangarap. Sitio Carponsay, Barangay Lumao. At bago ko pulisanin ang apat na sulong ng entablado ito, mag-iiwan pa po ako ng isang katagang Twinkle, twinkle, little star, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Good evening!
There you go, candidate number 5. Please, welcome.
Isa pa po, isang kasabihan pa po, isang nakatuwang kasabihan, ha, ha, ha. Maraming salamat po!
Let's take your candidate number 5. And now, let's welcome candidate number 6.
Maalam, mabeli, barangay, loose. True beauty is about perfection. It's about being confident in your own uniqueness. This is Queen Trixie Alia Del Mundo, 18, mula sa tahanan ng Makukusay. Pinagpala, Sitio Riverside, Barangay Laban!
Thank you so much, candidate number 6. And now, get ready for our next candidate, candidate number 7.
Tonight, this is not a competition. It is a celebration of beauty, power, and pride. This is Queen Krishna Bermudez, all the way from Barangay Lamao, Sitio ng Pag-asa. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, candidate number 7. And now, get ready for our next candidate, candidate number 8. Once again, candidate number 8.
Before I start, wala po ba palakpakan dyan? Wala po ba hiyawan dyan? Good evening to each and everyone. My name is Roxanne Vergara from Barangay Alangan. But tonight, please do allow me to stand and carry the image of Miss CJ Opiesa. Opo, ako nga. At bago po ako manisay sa vlog nito, gusto ko mag-iwan ng isang sabihan na ang tao nagpapakababa ay siyang itinataas. At ang tao nagpapakababa ay siyang itinataas. And that's what we all. Thank you so much.
Now, thank you so much, candidate number 8. And now, getting back on stage, our next candidate number 9.
A true queen is not defined with the value of clothes and people she inspired. Maayong gabi, Barangay Barrialan! This woman standing in front of your naked eyes is fresh and a queen indeed, 21 years old, stunner. A graduating student at Bataan Peninsula State University main campus, taking out a Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, major in garments, fashion, and design. I am your reigning Miss Gay Carbon. This is Miss Chloe Santos, honored and proud to represent my very own Barangay Barrialan! Before I leave the four corners of this stage, allow me to remind you all that homosexuality is not to diminish our humanity, but rather it is a manifestation of God's biggest message upon His people, that no matter who you are, no matter what you are, you deserve to be loved, respect, and accepted. And in order for us to achieve those love, respect, and acceptance, let us always invest in education and learning, for the return are infinite or unimaginable. Or in other words, bago ka magpaganda, bago ka magpaputi, at bago ka magpakinis, mag-aral ka muna. Dahil kapag nakapag-aral ka, matutulungan mo na ang pamilya mo, mapatutunayan pa. Maganda ka nga talaga. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number 9. And now, let's all welcome our last candidate, candidate number 10.
Tonight is a gathering of all of your beauty candidates all over the Barangay Limay. My name is Uncle John Casaneda Pizarro, nagmula sa barangay na Dipapalupit, Barangay Lamao proper. Thank you.
There you have it, Thank you so much, Kennedy.